Hello everyone, I'm so excited I can participate in the end of year workshop. First of all, I will briefly introduce myself. My name is Ruiqi Zheng. You can simply call me Rich, whose pronunciation is pretty close to my Chinese first name. I got my bachelor degree in computer science in China. From 2021 October, I'm a PhD student in UQ. I'm so excited that I become a member of the UQ family. Here I want to share one fun fact about myself. I have two super adorable and cute cats in my apartment. They can even do a backflip. If you don't believe it, you can just come over and see it. About my research topic, it's generally about recommendation. Here, I will give an example. There are so many delicious snacks and cute toys around the check counter. So the supermarket tries to predict or try to recommend something to the customers when they are waiting for the checkout. That is a recommendation. To be more specific, what is a recommender system? A recommender system is a subclass of information filtering system that seeks to predict the rating or the preference a user would like to give to an item. On our phone, there are Google Play, there are Twitter. They try to recommend us with apps and news. As for the video recommendation systems, have you ever wondering why YouTube can provide or recommend so many interesting and fascinating videos after we only watched one? Here's recommendation system works. There's a database of millions of items, or let's say videos, after 3 steps. Finally, a list of tens or 20s videos will be outputted and displayed on our phone. That is the videos customers are most likely to click. That is the recommended systems. Let's go deeper. So here's a pipeline of a machine learning application. There are so many steps to do an application. The recommendation system also needs those steps. The data collection, the feature engineering, the model selection, accurate selection. And they are all done by human experts in the original models. So we are thinking that can the machines do the works instead of the humans? Perhaps in the feature engineering part, the machines can automatically choose the proper embedding size for different recommendation systems. And that is a point I'm working on. If you are interested, you are welcome to contact me and we can discuss about it.